Let's face it, the chances of any humans being around to greet you when you arrive 1 billion years into the future are pretty low. Several key existential threats face the human race, and if we want to be around in 1 billion years, we'll need to endure them all. We've seen how much we've struggled to come together just to survive a global pandemic. So how do we have any chance of enduring the threats of climate change, overpopulation, global nuclear war, killer asteroids and comets, natural ice ages, and the sun getting a whole lot hotter? Well, let's take a look into the future and find out. Just under 10,000 years from now, we're going to run into a big problem called the deca millennium bug. In the year 10,000 AD, software encoding the AD calendar year won't encode dates with more than 4 decimals. Remember Y2K? Yeah, it's just like that, except hopefully we won't panic as much this time around. On the bright side, in 10,000 years, genetic differences and traits between humans will no longer be regional. Traits like skin and hair color will be evenly distributed around the world. Maybe that will help us all get along finally. 20,000 years into the future, none of the current languages will be recognizable. Future languages will only contain 1% of the core vocabulary words of their present-day counterparts. 50,000 years from now will mark a new glacial period for the Earth, which will start a new ice age. Niagara Falls will have eroded into Lake Erie completely, and interestingly, a full day on Earth will also increase by 1 second at this point in time, so much more time for activities. In 250,000 years, the Loihi volcano will rise above the water to form a new island in Hawaii, and in 500,000 years, it's likely that an asteroid with a diameter greater than 1 kilometer will hit Earth, unless we can prevent it. The resulting crater will be no less than 400 kilometers across. It will start fires all over the planet and make the air unbreathable, so there's something to look forward to. And in case that's not enough, in 1 million years we'll likely have another supervolcano eruption large enough to spew out 3,200 cubic kilometers of ash.